In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Projector to a TV. So first of all, you'll have to check or look for an HDMI port on both devices. If both devices have HDMI, you are ready to connect them with no issues. Of course, most modern TVs and projectors use HDMI, but it's a thing to check just in case. So then you would like to connect the HDMI cable. So plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV HDMI output or the device sending the video such as streaming box or gaming console. Then you'd like to plug the other end into the projector HDMI in ports. Important note, most TVs only have HDMI inputs, not HDMI outputs. So if you're trying to display your TV's built-in apps like maybe Netflix, YouTube, etc. on the projector, a direct HDMI cable usually will not work. So in that case, you will need to use a streaming device like a Fire TV stick or Chromecast connected directly to the projector, or use a TV that supports HDMI outputs. So other than that, you would like basically, if you have the outputs and everything good, you can just go and turn on both devices. Turn on your TV or the video source and turn on your projector and wait for the projector to finish starting up. On your projector, you'll have to select the HDMI inputs. Using the projector remote, press the source or input, select the HDMI port you are connected to, and the TV or video source should appear on the projector. So you should be already done by now, and of course if needed, you can adjust the focus, correction the keystone, resizing the image. This will make the picture sharp and properly aligned. So if you have any issues, make sure just to correct your projector placements. And yeah, that's basically how you connect a projector to a TV. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.